Hi, I'm John McElhenney, and I'll be demonstrating our hearing test from the user's perspective, starting at 4,000 Hertz. So each time the user inputs a Y or an N to demonstrate yes or no, the frequency will either increase in amplitude or the sinusoid will either increase in amplitude so that they can hear it, or it'll increase the frequency if they already did hear it. So when we enter a no, the amplitude has increased, and then enter a yes or no again. Once they finish the hearing test, they're transferred to a table which shows them the amplitude that they heard each of the frequencies that they listened to during the hearing test. This table would then be interpreted by an audiologist.
Hi, I'm Soyoka, and I'll be explaining the code on how it works to test the user's ability to hear certain frequencies at amplitudes. So first we have the sample frequency, which is CD quality. Then we have the two data tables for the amplitude and frequency when we record the data to later present on a table. The counter is to implement the next next row for inputting the data. So this is all the frequencies we'll be testing on the user. And then this is to have an input for which frequency will be used. Well, we will have a user prompt about what frequency is currently playing visually. When the code starts, the amplitude will start at 0.1 and will increase in increments of 0.1 if the user inputs a no, as an N. Just this part is to create the sinoid wave so we can create the noise so the user can see if they can hear it. If the user can hear the tone, they will either put a yes or no entry in. If they put in yes, then we will record the data of the amplitude and the frequency and put a pause, break the loop, which is this while loop here, which will then again go back into the for loop to the next frequency. If the user enters a N for no, it will increase the amplitude and redo the while loop until they can hear it. When all the different frequencies are tested, all the data will be saved into the two data variables and will print into a table.
My name is Ben, and I will be talking about our innovations and the ethical side of our hearing test. So for this hearing test, we had to decide what frequencies would be used for our hearing test, and we got this list of frequencies from the Academy of Doctors of Audiology, a well-respected group. And then also we needed to take into account the ethical side of this project. So first of all, we need to take into account that some frequencies for certain users could cause discomfort. So we just would need to give them a little warning beforehand, just to let them know that this might happen. Also, we needed to ask for their consent to use the information and their data, as it could be used for research or for the making of a product or something like that.